माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़
freedom struggle. Movements like the Dandi March, the Quit India movement, etc. became the head for the nationalist movement for Indian independence. According to him, an eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. He said, be the change that you wish to be seen in the world. And that is exactly what he did with his life.
Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri had to become the next Prime Minister of India after Jawaharlal Nehru. He remained a Prime Minister for 18 months. He was the Home Minister of India in 1961. He was born on 2nd October 1904 and died on 11th January 1966. His father was Shada Prasad Srivastav and his mother was Ram Dulari Dev. He completed his graduation in Hindi, English and philosophy from Kashi Vidyapith. Success is not a final failure, is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. A very fantabulous and auspicious morning to all members of Queen's family. Today in this special occasion, we are very pleased to be anchor of today's assembly. I am Imanshi
And I, Tushar,
are going to conduct today's morning assembly. Our day cannot start without remembering God. So I request all please to join your hand, close your eyes, start Mahamrityunjay Mantra.
जिसने देश का हाल, जिसने पढ़ाया सत्य और अहिंसा का पाठ, वो थे हमारे गांधी बापू महान. Good morning everyone, respected headmisters ma'am, Mr. O.P. Kapoor sir, all my lovely teachers and my wonderful friends. I am Anshiya Kumari of class 8 and today I am here to deliver a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. We have gathered here to celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. He was born on 2nd October 1869. Today is the 154th birth anniversary of this great leader, often called the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We honor him for his important part in India's fight for freedom. This day is very important in our history because it celebrates the man who guided India to freedom by following ideas like telling the truth, not using violence, and peacefully disobeying unfair laws. Mahatma Gandhi, who we lovingly call Bapu, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He lived a very simple and humble life, always working very hard to make things fair and just for everyone. Non-violence, which Gandhiji called ahimsa, was a very important part of his way of thinking. He believed that problems and fights could be solved without hurting anyone. This belief led to some big and important events like the Salt March and the Quit India movement, which helped us a lot in our struggle to be free from British rule. Gandhiji believed in something important called Satyagraha, which means the strength to truth. He showed that you can reach your goals by doing what's right without hurting anyone. He inspired many people to walk the path of truth and non-violence, a way of living that still helps and guides us today. Gandhi's life was a testament to simplicity. He wore simple clothes, lived a modest life, and believed in the dignity of manual labor. He said, be the change you wish to see in the world. This reminds us that change starts from within. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, our nation's cleanliness, is a fitting tribute to Gandhi's emphasis on hygiene and sanitation. He believed about physical cleanliness. He believed that physical cleanliness is not everything. Cleanliness is about a clean mind and heart. Equality was another principle close to Gandhi's heart. He fought against the evils of caste discrimination and worked tirelessly for the upliftment of the oppressed. His efforts paved the way for a more inclusive India. Today, as we remember the Mahatma Gandhis, it's important to reflect on how his teachings are still relevant. In a world filled with strife, Gandhi's message of non-violence and truth is a guiding light. Gandhi's legacy isn't just confined to India, it's a global inspiration. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela were deeply influenced by his ideas and methods of peaceful resistance. On this Gandhi Jayanti, let's promise to follow the important important idea Bapu believed in. We should work to make the world cleaner, fairer, and more peaceful. Let's be like Gandhi ji, making positive changes in our actions and thoughts. So his memory stays alive in what we do. Gandhi ji passed away on January 30, 1948, and his last words were, "Hey Ram." He was killed by Nathuram Godse. Today, he is laid to rest at Rajghat in New Delhi. Many people show their respect by offering flower, garlands, and singing his favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. Gandhi Jayanti is not just a day of remembrance, it is a day of reflection and inspiration. And at last, I want to recite a poem. लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़ा रखो, लक्ष्य पर हमेशा चले चलो. संभव है इसमें बाधाएं भी आए, लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़ा रखो. कोई गरीब है तो कोई अमीर, पर सबकी अपनी अपनी तकदीर. घर कर्तव्य पथ पर बढ़े चलो, लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़ा रखो. दौलत के लालच में ना फंसना तुम, गलत राह पे ना मुड़ना तुम. छू लोगे एक दिन पर्वत शिखर को भी, हर पर्वत के सीने पर चढ़े चढ़ो. लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़ा रखो, लक्ष्य पर हमेशा चले चलो. धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ हो और आप सभी को दोबारा से गांधी जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
To hold the Queen's family. And a very happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Today I am here standing before you to tell you about the three monkeys of Mahatma Gandhi. Of course you have heard about the three monkeys that are always mentioned along with Gandhi's name. The three monkeys that were named Mizaru, Kikazaru and Iwazaru were blind, deaf and dumb. Once Gandhiji was gifted these three monkeys by a Buddha of Japan. People used to make fun of these because they are blind, deaf and dumb. Then Gandhiji politely answered, smiling, "You won't understand how useful they are," and well-mannered. All people were confused. How? They all asked to Gandhiji. Gandhiji said, "You see, when the blind monkey does something wrong, he could not see. The deaf could not hear what wrong he is saying, and the dumb one can't speak the wrong words." They set the example. Blind don't see wrong, deaf don't hear the wrong, and the dumb don't utter the wrong. Those three monkeys are nothing but three principles which the human should include within themselves. Now, I would like to ask you two questions based on this story, which is of the three monkeys. First, what are the names of the three monkeys? And who gifted them to Gandhiji?
शान से जालिम का पे थरथर थरथर सुनकर उनका नाम रे होकर था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे. दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के. बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम. ओ भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आंधी बहती रे. बहसी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे रे. आजा रे बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम. रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। सीताराम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
I want to tell you, do you know 2nd October is also observed as International Non-Violence Day? Do you know this thing? Non-violence. Why? Because Gandhiji was a believer of non-violence. Okay, so 2nd October is also celebrated as International Non-Violence Day. As you know, beta, to the 2nd October 2014, Swachh Bharat Mission, it was launched throughout the country. The main motive behind this mission was to make India clean, right? So I'll not take much time up here. Today also I just want to inform you that we have organized a small cleanliness program for which you will be going outside. So students from 8 to 12, they will remain on the ground only when rest of the students will go back to their classes. And teachers who will remain on the ground, that are Usha ma'am, Sumit sir, Ghanshyam sir, Vinod sir and Pooja Sen ma'am. They will remain here only. Okay, thank you, beta. Have a nice day.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। वो पद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे। दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आंधी बहती रे। वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे। ओ झूठ का बढ़ता जाए राज, ओ बापू अपने ही हो गए धोखेबाज। आज हमें अपनों से बचा ले, आजा रे बापू मेरे। पाई पाई में इंसान बिकारे, आजा रे बापू मेरे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम। ओ भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आंधी बहती रे। वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। हो झूठ का बढ़ता जाए राज ओ बाबू, अपने ही हो गए धोखेबाज। आज हमें अपनों से बचा ले, आजा रे बापू मेरे।